world, namaste, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to it. I do beauty related videos, sometime hair care and skincare too, and also hit that bell button right next to it so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. Now in today's video we are going to see a review that I've kind of just added to my new series. I'm going to initiate a new series that is Mehenga, expensive stuff. To us, to a little average middle class man, everything that goes up from 500, like 400 to 500, that is considered to us like affordable. But everything that goes beyond 500, it's definitely not affordable to us, at least for me. So I'm going to start this series called expensive stuff, or expensive or mehenga, whatever I'll call, like मैं उसको वैसे ही बना दूंगी. We are going to start with my Tangle teaser, and here it says like Tangle teaser, and look at the shade, this mauvish pinkish shade. I loved it, but as you can see, I don't know if you can see, it has some hairs because I have just experimented with it. Physically it is very sturdy. Yes, it is very sturdy, not at all flimsy, and the bristles are not so much like hard, or they're not bothering. They're very much flexible and nice. And yes, the grip is also good, like when you hold this like this. It came in this like normal usual comb packaging, you know. Even the Vega one is the same, they use this plastic kind of thing, but it says everything. And the title of this comb is Wet Detangling Hair Brush. 325 unique teeth untangle every strand of your hair quickly and gently for all hair types, not to be used with heat. So this is a caution thing. It also says 50 million sold globally. Okay, globally. So they are talking about only Tangle teasers. They have sold 50 million units of this, which is very nice. It has, you can see the flag over here and some of the other flags also, like different countries, as you can see. I'm not interested in going in that. There is no expiry date. Haha, com ki expiry date hoti bhi nahi hai. But it do have its MRP, and it is for 1300 rupees. I know it's too much for an com, that's why I said expensive stuff. So the MRP says it's 1300 rupees, but I got it on discount from Nykaa, and it was for 1031 something. Like I got it for $1000, but I still feel $1000 are not in a affordable category for a comb. But I have seen many girls using Tangle teas and raving about it, that it combs your hairs very nicely, better than your usual combs, usual hair brushes. So I'm going to give you a peek, like I'm going to give you a comparison between the Tangle teaser brush and my normal Vega hairbrush that I use it daily, so that you can make your own decision. Do you need to buy this? No, okay, we do not need to use it or buy it or purchase it, whatever. Before proceeding to the comparison part, I want to let you know that how my hairs are. So I have mid-length hairs, like hair treated hairs. Like from here you can see they are a little damaged because my smoothing is there. It has been a long time, but after even chopping, I have still the left one. The hairs are still left, and these are all my natural hairs. I have fine thin hairs, I do not have thick hairs. I have oily scalp, I have whatnot. So I feel you can relate when you are seeing the difference. If you want to know how this works, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to make two sections, and ये two sections कैसे होंगे? Okay, all right. I have made a normal random midsection like this. I'm going to comb my hairs, one side with this one and one side with this one. This is my regular daily comb that I use right now, like I use it daily, and this is my new one, so that we can know is it really worth it to put so much money on it. So yeah, but although everybody knows we usually comb our hairs from down and then to roots, but today we are going to do it from right here, because I have seen in a video that Tangle teaser combs your hair even through your roots to down in the first go. So we are going to test it right here. So first is this, I'm taking it in. Okay. There is no hair. Wow, nice. Okay, अटका, थोड़ा सा अटका. Still there is no hair. Let's try again, a little harder. Oh, there are some hairs. Now there are some hairs, as you can see here. All right, not so bad. Till now, not so bad. Let's try this way. So, best of luck. Okay, I think एक बाल आया है. Not so bad. I think it is also doing a good job. Not so bad. No, only 2-3 hairs, like you can see from here. 2-3 hairs. That's fine. Like it is doing the same job of this one. Now I'm not so impressed with this one. Fine. Let's see from here how it goes. Oh, okay. I have my hair strangled very badly. You can see hairs. Shit. Let's try here with this one. Prabhu. फंस रहा है ये तो. Don't do this. It has done the same job. Can you see the hairs? Same. Both are same. Not so happy. Okay, I'm going to comb my hairs, like all of my hairs, and come back. Alright, now you know how it works and how my wig actually did. For me, if I go with the beauty of this comb, it has done a pretty good job. Okay, it's not exactly, I would not say it's a necessity, but if you are just having a sort of keeping different brushes in your vanity, different color brushes, and they're good too, it is good too, but it is of the same quality we are having in Vega, and that brush is actually working for me from years now. I have that brush for like more than 3 years now, if I remember correctly, or maybe more than that, but the bristles are still the same, like they're working really fine for my hairs. And now I have this, so I'm going to use this one also. But just having an idea of buying a new hairbrush, or you're buying a hairbrush first time, don't go for this. It is expensive, not worth it at all. You can buy your Vega brush or any other branded hairbrush just for 300, 400, or even below that. So yeah, for me this was not so up. Not like giving 1300 rupees for this comb is not worth it. Like not for me. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have an idea what to do. And if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up and comment on it and share it with your friends, like girlfriend. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye. Also, you can connect with me on social media. I am very active on LinkedIn and Instagram. My ID would be here or somewhere in the description box. You can check it out, and if you like it, then connect with me. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.